So I thought my lunch looked really cool today, so I'm gonna show you. I have some cherry tomatoes, edamame, the sauce I made, and then some broccoli and tempeh, and an apple. Yay, gotta pack these. Tuesday was just a very normal working day. I just set up my station and got to work, and that was the majority of my day.
This is anyway. This that you enter through here, or it's not on site yet. Then you go into this door.
Oh, cool. I just got some new gym gloves. Yay! Hi everyone. So I feel like this week I haven't done a check-in in a while, and it's already Wednesday. It's currently raining outside actually. Can't really see, but you can see my plants, my plant babies there. But this week has just been a normal week. I feel like nothing too special has happened. But I do feel like there's a lot of things on my mind because of the project. Like the more I look through my notes, I'm like, wow, there's actually so many things to consider for this project, and that's why it really helps for me to like write a weekly to-do list so I know exactly what I'm doing every day. But otherwise, it's been all right. I feel like this week's gonna be quite boring, so I hope it's still interesting. You're literally just gonna get time lapses of me doing work, so I hope that's still interesting. Anyways, let's go water my plants. So since I have a minute, I just want to share some things that happened today. So I actually just spoke to a friend, and you know, she said that like her tutors are not that nice during tutorial last week. Apparently they said to her that like, you know, it's disappointing, the work, and also how she might not pass, and you know, just I feel like it's just not very nice things, and how like what's the point, like she's not going to progress and stuff like that. So I feel like I just wanted to share the story because it's not all like rainbows and butterflies in the Bartlett. Like sometimes you just have a really harsh tutorial and it feels like you're just gonna fail and you want to drop out. So sometimes that's just how life is in the Bartlett. Like even though you're like working really hard, sometimes you might not just be on the safe wavelength as your tutor, and it's just how life is. But yeah, I just wanted to share this little story just to get, because you know, my life here is just like my own experience. It doesn't reflect everyone else's experience. Everyone can have a very drastically different experience, especially if you're in different units. So I just wanted to share that story. Anyways, I'm gonna go back to work now. Then I just spent the rest of my afternoon doing another bend on my tree saplings that didn't have anything done to them yet, and it's just testing other waves of support for my tech and seeing how this test goes. I know. Yay! We bumped into Carissa. Okay guys. Right? It's so funny, it's so cute, and I got shake.
I know, I was like, Glorious, you know?
I'll be so happy. Yeah. I just cleared a bunch of paper and I'm gonna throw this all away. Let's do a small check-in. It's actually so weird because no one's in the studio. Like normally even my friends are in, but no one's here. But anyways, small check-in. It is Thursday, and this week we don't have anything tech related, which is nice, I guess, but also not nice. And we have tutorials tomorrow. So I just feel like, I don't know, like I feel like I've reached the point because it's like right before tutorials. I'm just kind of drained, like I really don't want to do anything, and I'm just kind of dead internally. But I'm just, you know, putting portfolio pages together. I feel like even yesterday I was in the mindset of thinking I wasn't productive, but now that I look back, wow, I was pretty productive yesterday. I feel like every day is like this. But anyways, I'm gonna put my pages together and hopefully I will feel more released tomorrow and just feel a bit better. But yeah. Good morning, everyone. So today is tutorial day as it's Friday. So sadly, I have my tutorial at 9 a.m. So I just came out of the gym there. And now I'm just gonna speed walk back home, eat breakfast, and go straight to studio later. So yeah, I really rushed this morning, but let's go. I forgot to vlog that I walk with Nicole. But anyways, okay, let's go to studio. I'm glad I made it on time. It's 8:45. I mean, technically, I kind of ran back home from gym. And then my watch logged it as cardio, so I guess I did extra exercise today. So I got my drawings ready. I'm gonna bring my sketchbook and let's go.
This week.
Wait, special edition. It's Adam's birthday. Happy birthday, Adam.
Thank you.
Right now, I'm just taking a break and going to Planet Organic to get some snacks because it's. I don't know. This morning had tutorials. I deserve a break and a snack. Oh, what? It's closed. Now I went to the other one. So I got this tofu vegan cheesecake. So good. Yeah, that's pretty good. Oh my god. I'm actually so full.
To Vera you wore.
It's a V-way.
I think you can just travel somewhere.
That's so cool.
Holy.
Oh no, I clicked something. I clicked this.
No, that's fine. And if you use this button, this here, you can draw like in 3D.
How? I'm not. Oh, hi Eugene.
Hello.
Oh, that's so cool. I drew a smiley face.
You should have recorded what you see too, you know, in order to combine those two.
Oh yeah, that's true. Oh, so it's different. I'll draw a tree. This is so ugly.
Well, you're the drawer.
Okay, alright, I'm done.
I'm done. You done. You done.
I should put like a sorry.
I feel like I just drew a bunch of lines.
Yeah, as you all see, this is quite a complex plan organizer.
Taking into account that nobody else sees. That is
Oh my god.
beautiful. That does look cool though.
Oh my god. Hi everyone, so now I'm heading home And today was a nice day actually. I had an alright tutorial. I just need to work on a focus more on one thing instead of producing lots of smaller things for next week. And then we had a nice, you know, unit meeting at the end of the day where the tutors talked through some projects. So that was really helpful and nice, and it was just very good vibes. And then went to pub with a few friends and it was really nice. And now I'm going home to cook dinner. See you! Everyone, it is Saturday, so I actually spent the morning just editing my video and it's uploaded now, so you guys can go check out the previous video here if you'd like. But yeah, so the morning was the morning wasn't that chill, but now originally I planned to go into studio, but I feel like I kind of deserve a day off because I kind of don't get day offs for myself. I tend to overwork myself, so I feel like I'll just spend the whole afternoon to myself doing something nice, like reading a book, and then in the evening I have to go to my friend's place and then have dinner. I'll sprinkle some. Wait, let me spread it with a spoon maybe.
Yes.
You think you're not?
Dude, no. I'm far.
Yay!
This is a more appropriate amount than way.
Oh, it's another.
Oh my god, look at this! Oh my god!
This is a bit dodgy.
My god, it's just red. This is how you know you came to studio early. Everything is black. I walk in and the lights will turn on. After I settled in, I just get back into my groove of working. I feel like Saturday was a nice reset for me, so I feel more refreshed on Sunday to start working again, and that was my week. I got some lotus root and some seaweed salad. Yay!